Welcome to this tutorial on how to set stop loss and take profit on TradingView. Setting stop loss and take profit levels is crucial in trading as it helps you limit potential losses and lock in profits. First, you need to open a chart on TradingView and add an indicator or draw a trend line to identify potential entry points. Once you have identified your entry point, you can set your stop loss and take profit levels. To set a stop loss, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the chart and select Pine Editor. Then, select the Strategy tab and click on the Add Rule button. Choose Stop from the drop-down menu and set the stop loss price. You can set the stop loss as a percentage of the entry price or as a fixed price. To set a take profit, follow the same steps as setting a stop loss, but choose Take Profit from the drop-down menu instead. You can set the take profit as a percentage of the entry price or as a fixed price. A good practice is to set your stop loss below the recent low for a long position or above the recent high for a short position. For take profit, set it at a level where you expect the price to reach based on your analysis. It is also important to consider the risk-reward ratio when setting your stop loss and take profit levels. The risk-reward ratio is the ratio of the potential profit to the potential loss. A good risk-reward ratio is 1 to 2 or higher, meaning that the potential profit is at least twice the potential loss. In summary, setting stop loss and take profit levels on TradingView is a straightforward process that requires you to identify your entry point, set your stop loss and take profit prices, and consider the risk-reward ratio. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your trades and minimize potential losses.